Here we got this DeWalt 20 volt XR woodworking 5-tool combo kit. Normally $5.49 at Lowe's, was on clearance for $3.99. So I picked it up because I need a couple of the tools. I'm gonna sell some, keep some, but right now I'm gonna unbox it and let's see what we got. Unbox it. Oh, I didn't know it came with a bag. The big heavy bags are good. Those little bags DeWalt gives you aren't worth much. Nothing will fit in them. Everything's all nice and backed up. Ain't that fancy? First we got our dust removers, dust bags, our plate for our sander, got our paperwork. Oh, it's not a dual charger, it's just a big fancy fast charger. Takes up twice as much space. Two XR 20 volt 5 milliamp hour batteries. No charge. Has a fan in it. I've never had one of the ones like that. I guess that keeps it cool, makes it charge quicker. Nothing like good high-end tools to get excited about. I love it. Brushless XR. I love a grinder. Oh, this is the multi-tool, duh. Grinder is what I'm looking forward to on the rotary sander. Yeah, look at this beauty. It's like so exciting. Been doing a lot of refinishing furniture lately. Look at that beauty. Variable speed. Jigsaw. Wowzers. Variable speed. Nice. Oh, that is the... Oh well, no grinder. You get a router. Never had a router before. Never had one, don't know how to use it. But I'm excited to find out. Don't look like it. How am I supposed to route anything without a router bit? But, you know, I'll figure it out soon. And then we will have to do a follow-up. Ed figures out the router. So that's it. That is the 20 volt XR DeWalt woodworking tool kit. I'm probably gonna have to sell some of these. $3.99 on clearance currently at Lowe's. I'm not sure about all locations, but that's what I paid for it. Normally $5.49. And again, you get 5 tools, 2 sanders. And I cannot wait to try them out. So that is the DeWalt XR 20 volt brushless woodworking 5-piece combo kit. It's a DCK500P2. And you get 2 XR 20 volt 5 milliamp batteries, a fast charger, which is DC8118, sander, multi-tool, router, jigsaw, and a nice big bag. Let's see if they got individual tool numbers on here for you. Yeah, DCW210, random orbital sander, DCW200, sheet sander, DCS356, multi-tool, DCS334 jigsaw, DCW600 router, All right, thanks for watching. Until next time.